hello. How do you feel today? I hope you are fine. If you are not, close your eyes and visualize. I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. Just listen and feel. Life is easy. We just need to focus. Just concentrate. Live in the moment. Open your eyes. I guess you feel better now. Today we will find your strengths and weaknesses. Think about the activities you enjoy the most or find most fulfilling. Make a list of these activities and rate them based on how much you enjoy them. This exercise can help you identify areas where you excel and areas where you may need improvement. Remember that identifying strengths and weaknesses is a continuous process, and it's important to approach it with an open mind. Embrace opportunities for growth and leverage your strengths to achieve personal and professional success.